Welcome to my channel. So today is extremely special day because it's Tuesday and it's my weekly off. Tuesday is mostly calm and very slow. So I thought that let's document this day, like the morning routine, and share it with you guys. So I really hope that you all love it. So today I not wake up and just come here to the garden space and start watering. So let's rewind a little bit and show you how I started my day. Let's go.
I woke up around 8 a.m. today. I always make it a point not to touch my phone for the first hour. So, the first thing I do is stretch a bit to wake up my body. Next, I express my gratitude and do some deep breathing. This simple practice sets a positive tone for the day and makes me feel centered and calm. You know what? I'm so lucky to have such beautiful view from my window and balcony. The greenery is so peaceful and refreshing, and the birds chirping just make it a perfect day, and it's a perfect start to the morning. Chalo, now we head to the bathroom, and the first thing I do is wash my hands. My routine here is pretty simple. I apply some face wash, brush my teeth, and then rinse it all off. It's a little ritual that really wakes me up. After that, I take a few moments to meditate and do some more breathing exercises. This really helps to calm my mind and prepare me for the day ahead. I also do some basic neck exercises and stretch to loosen up any tension in my body. So, next is my favorite step. So, I sit down and write whatever I'm feeling at that moment, and then I say or chant my affirmation. This uplifting practice fills me with so much of positivity and also helps me release all the negative emotion I have in my body. I then settle down with a good book. I aim to read about 10 pages every day, but if the book is really interesting, I can easily keep going. And now my fave part that I have recently discovered my love for plants. It's about I think a month or two that I've gotten these plants and they just make me smile. I water all my plants and have a little chat with them. Just look at how the button roses have grown. They are so adorable and always makes me smile. So this is my kitchen, and I'm going to show you like what is the first thing that I consume in an empty stomach. तो सबसे पहले I have like this ghee right here, which I consume in empty stomach. So I just take like one spoon of ghee, and then I'm going to take some warm water, and I'm just going to have it. It's like a lukewarm water, so I have that. Bus, and then probably I'm going to have some nuts. It could be anything, you guys. आप बादाम ले सकते हो, walnuts ले सकते हो, yeah, pistachio or something like that. I usually have like walnuts and pistachio. These are not soaked right now, but I would highly recommend कि आप इसे soak करें and then you consume in the morning because it's going to have like super benefits. So I'm gonna have this.
So पीछे अभी हम बना रहे हैं चाय. After having like walnuts and the nuts, I take about 20-25 minutes and make my chai, keep it, and I then have it like after 25 minutes. And breakfast के लिए आज है ढोकला और खांडवी. Usually it is our like Sunday ritual that we order some Gujarati breakfast. But आज मन कर रहा था और आज कॉफी के बजाय चाय का मन कर रहा था. So I opted for chai, and yeah, today we're gonna have like dhokla and khanvi. So chalo. So I'm straight out of the shower, and I thought I'd quickly take you through my skincare routine. It's fun because I add a lot of things to it depending on my mood, depending on how my skin is feeling. So I'm going to take you through. In case you want a detailed video about it, let me know in the comments, and I'm going to make a detailed video. It's going to be truly beneficial, truly. So let's move on. First, I'm going to use the facial mist. I'm going to like spray it, thoda sa, okay, not lots. I'm going to use a serum. You just be extremely gentle on your skin. So I'm just going to like, I love the one it has. I'm just going to apply it here because I work in the PC like throughout the week. I'm throughout in front of the screen, so my eyes tend to, get puffy or also have like a little dark circle because of all the things that we do the entire day, like too much of screen and everything. So I make sure that I don't forget this space. So I'm gonna use this is also like fun. Sorry. It's like a fun moisturizer. You see this? I love this. Is just calms the skin if you have like any eczema, inflammation, or your face is looking red because it's highly sensitive. You can use like a calming moisturizer. Just tap, 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 tap. While this is just seeping in, I'm going to use my lip balm. And the last and extremely important step, I'm home, but still I'm going to use my sunscreen. So I'm home, so I don't think I need like a 3 fingers. I'm just going to do like 2 fingers today. Oops, take 2 fingers today. It's not like that. This one is also extremely calming. Pat it because it already applied like another serum under your eye. Tap it. And this is my routine. And do not forget your hands and the legs. It's the best ever. This smells amazing. So we are done with skincare, and I think it's almost about an hour from the time I'm woken up. So we're quickly gonna go and grab some breakfast, and I'll show you. Come. Okay. Okay. So today I feel like just sitting on the couch and having like my breakfast. So I'm just gonna like sip some adrak. Wow. Have you like tried khandi before? All the Gujaratis out there, it's so good. Love my dhokla. I'm well, and the khandi is so good. That's my morning routine. Thank you for joining me in. I really hope that you take away something out of this. And you know the drill, like, share, subscribe. And if you have anything for me, do pop up in the comment section, and I'm surely going to reply all back. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Love, love.